Paris. Attaboy, Bryce. Attaboy, big man, Bryce.
Oh.
Good pass.
Ha? Ayaw pala. Oh!
Grabe. Grabe, nakasba pa yan.
Diskarte, diskarte!
They're not even getting scored.
Hey, how you doing? Tira mo na yan! Tira mo na yan! Ayan na! Short!
Good pass. Good pass. Airball.
Yan, one! All.
Two up. Two up.
Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Run, run! Sakto, sakto! Sakto! Ah. Up, up. 1, 2, 3. Run!
And one.
It's even now.
Yeah, Mikey didn't know which one it is. Is that really fun? You're all of them. You're all of them. Why something?
Practice na, practice.
Ooh, take that.
Salaksak, salaksak! Ayan ulit. Shoot it. Floater.
Jump stop! Jump stop!
Oh, that's not good. See? Ayun ang problema dun eh. Yeah. Ano nga lagi ang banat. Kasi what's that? No.
Guys, what I say?
Salaksak, salaksak! Kaya mo yan, iwanan mo. Yan. Oh, floater.
Oi, with the left hand. Tell him, bro. Left hand. You have to finish a good lap.
Rebound.
Run.
Get it. Set. Shoot it. Boom. Practice na yan. Pang-practice lang yan.
Nice. Go, go.
Ah, it's in there already. Kulang, kulang.
Three. I got it.
Backward.
All right, there you go.
Nice. Which?
Yeah. Damn, Jaden.
Rebound. What?
Oh! Animal. Animal.
Kamay. Nice.
Go, Derek.
Eh,
Go,
wow.
Derek.
Oh, ano? N1? Dikit, dikit. Help. Oh.
Man, it's shame. That's the shit is good like this. I'm trying to like Up, low, up, low. If it just straight like this, like that, no. Damn. He said,
49.
the demon.
The white lead.
No, but
Nagpapaslit.
Sabay, okay na yan, mag-relax-relax sila. Para mamaya.
Huwag nang matalo.
Oh, yeah. Ikot ng ikot. Use your body, use your body. Tira yan.
Good play. That's a good, that's a good, that's a good.
It's a pick and roll, pick and roll.
Come on, that's
There you go. Run, run, run.
oh, the one up there,
nice move. Nice. Hey, Jaden, I see you. Hey. Good job, Jaden. Make him work.
Screen, screen, screen. Nice. Yup.
Take it out.
Sabay, sabay. Yun. That's a pass. Supposed to be alley-oop.
Yes,
That's alley-oop.
Get it.
Max out. Use your body. use
There
your
you go,
body.
Park. Oh!
Kick, kick.
They already know where it's going. Yeah, everybody. Does.
Shoot.
You guys realize you got the same players, right?
Yeah. Nice.
Hey, no, this ain't the Catholic League, no floaters.
Xander, what's up with the score? They scored here and they scored here. Nag-score dito, nag-score din din. They make a basket, right? So they put points for the green team and the white team.
Let's go, Enzo.
Make them work, Enzo.
Hey,
Make them work.
Enzo, if you don't perform, we're gonna put your brother in. We're gonna put your brother in. I was like, dude, you should go sit on the coach. He just smiles. He's like, no.
Hard. Nice. The double. Hey, pull up jump.
Sub.
I got Enzo.
All the way.
SPC floater. That's the SPC floater.
Yeah, he didn't want that, huh? Got the key.
Run. Ah! Too hard. That's okay. Good. Ah!
That was Jared?
Grab it. Oh. Jaden, that's too far from the thing. No reason to foul.
He didn't. Sorry, Parker. This is a steal. Attaboy, Parker.
Oh.
Good, Enzo. Good take.
What?
Right away, huh?
Huh? Six. 4 soon.
Ah! Oh! And Rio. I want to see a 3 though. I want to see a 3.
Attaboy, Parker. Good hustle. You need to get used to the aerodynamic.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah.
Palitan mo yun, palitan mo. Ayan.
Take it.
Attaboy, Parker.
Oh.
Get it, Jerry.
Ano mo? Help, help, help.
All the way, Parker.
Oh, nice. Turn around.
Good pass.
Oh, Alex.
The catch that. That was a good pass.
Starte.
Nice.
Oh, that's good.
It's a pick and roll, huh?
Darren, bend your knees. You gotta get lower.
Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Shoot it.
That counts.
Oh. Konti lang. Ah, mga 20 mahigit.
Ah, mga 30.
Oo. Kalaban nila dito? Ito ba? Yan ba yung kalaban nila susunod yung sa kabila? Alas 4 na lang sila eh.
Whoever loses there.
Mm.
We're gonna play the loser here.
Alright.
Run, 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 run! Look up! Ah, too strong.
That's too late.
Late, late.
Gonna be a freshman?
No, he was a freshman.
There you go. Ah! Push. The shot. Enzo.
Hey, that wasn't a basketball play. That should be a.
I think they saw your hand. Ewan.
Oh, nice try.
Ah, alay.
He's afraid of that one.
You went to Santa Clara, the junior high
Load. Nice.
Because he wants to take more more. Jesus, what is going on?
Saan? Gold cost? You missed the target price?
Oh, yeah, I hear about that. Oh, Jaden. We played that? Yeah.
No.
Oh! Okay, Will.
Pull
Huh?
up, pull up.
Hindi niya suot yung ano, goma niya.
Oh.
I guess it's fun. And like somebody like was one of our somebody some kids like with one of our and they like
Ay. Ito yung kalaban nila. Sunod. Get it. Practice mo na yung ano mo.
Nice move.
Ah. Short.
oh.
Run, run! Ah, binalik.
Hey, man, you're gonna fall out. Calm down.
Eight lang. Nice, Thomas! Yeah! Ay, marami naman sila, 8.
That's the one. That's the one.
Oh! 2 in a row.
All right, bench him. Bench him.
That's good shot. Straight. Power. Run, run, run. Nice. Ah. Shoot it. Diskarte. Baba ng bola. Reverse. Shoot. Shoot. Ikaw tayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said we need to get a ref rest, right? We can help you out. We'll call the fouls out here. Appreciate you. Was he up today with Nation?
Yeah.
No, was it me? No, it wasn't me.
It wasn't him.
No. Okay.
No, I appreciate you though.
Thanks a lot, Benji.
He was on the other side complaining.
Yeah. On that side, that's why I was your buddy over there. Yeah. I was, you. But no, Alex, I did because Alex was getting like raped in the face. I was like, come on, dude. That's, yeah. I was like, oh, dude, this is rough. But I don't know what people you guys stared at. So.
Yeah, sometime in
And they're over 13. Let's go. This ain't like last night. You know? Don't worry.
Hey, let's go, guys.
There's a lot at stake.
Everybody's like relaxed. Right?
Yeah.
Bring them all.
Kailangan yan eh. Meron naman silang pahinga 2 oras. Yeah, 2 oras. Pagkatapos niyan.
Nice. Dang.
Okay, enough of that right there.
Backdoor cut. Ayun.
What?
Saksak. Saksak. Ah. SBC.
Hey, get out there.
Oh, look at that. He got the Hesse.
Hey.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's see it. Pressure's on. Oh! There it is.
Ito yung lalaro ng alas 6. Wala pa rin tayo isang malaki. 6.
Over there? Oh, you look at the table?
That's too bad. No, that's not. You know the-
How you count this? And then start to 1 and then you end at 20. No, how? You can count it? You end at 20? You don't know? Ayun, I will teach you. Oh, saksak! Ah. Score. Ini skoran.
Oh, wow.
Short. Bang. Kaya mo yan. Saka mo. Hoy mo. Travel, travel.
Threw a jukebox and everything. Walking.
Nice move, Jaden. Oh.
Hey,
Tulong, tulong. Kayang-kaya mo yan, oh. Kaso, ha? Kayang-kaya mo yung tubig yan, oh. See? Ah, sayang. Kaya mo yan.
Okay. Do something. Get out the key.
Yeah!
Pop it, pop it.
Nice. Sada Hesi. Nice. Good look, good look. Boy, boy, boy. Go, 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 go.
Oh, that's fast.
Oh!
Hi.
They know the play, that's why.
Diskarte. Easy, huh? Pick and roll. Kulang, kulang. Pasot mo yung band niya mamaya.
Ha?
Yung sumasakit tuhod yun eh.
Look at Parker.
Tira, tira. Parker.
Get him in. Enzo. Good defense, Enzo. Hey, good defense, Enzo. Good defense. Good defense.
Wala yan. And call. Ay. Oh! Got it.
You didn't even
59.
touch it.
Yeah.
Doesn't count.
56, 50. Yes. Next game na, next game.